You alright? That's cool. Did it kill you? Oh, there's something down there. Oh, there's that fucking fox.
There's what? What the fuck is that?
Is it friendly?
I don't think it's friendly.
Oh, that's an egg.
Ah! I don't think we should fuck with it.
I think we should fuck with it later.
Yeah, sounds good. Maybe a return trip. Oh goody, we can take its eggs and fucking... Oh, it gives me an idea.
What?
Where's the fire exit?
Right
Alright, ready for this pro gamer shit? Never mind, I don't know if I can do this. Dude, that's a long fucking run. I bet you that thing is quick as hell. Okay, we grab an egg and we fucking... Oh. Hi. Hi there. Ah! Dude is not buying it. Hi. Hi. Dude, the value, it's $278 for the...
Oh, got me.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Well, that didn't work out. God, we got a pissed off fucking ostrich out there. I don't even know where I'm going. Woodpecker. It's locked. What the fuck was that? You're a blob. Oh, I don't want the tattered metal sheet. Seriously? I hear things moving around. Not the blobs here. Dude, why is it all tattered metal sheets? Oh god, it's fucking... Oh shit, I'm not making it back. It will trade you? I'm gonna what? It'll trade you. What will it trade? Really? No, 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 no. Plan didn't work, your plan didn't work! Jesus Christ. Goddamn.
I can't believe you thought that.
Well, okay, you can trade with fucking loot bugs, so I thought... Oh, we're gonna have a good power run.
So far on Valley, we both died to the same creature.
Now we've both been brackened.
Then we just got pickered. You ready?
I am with child.
Uh-oh.
Oh, fuck.
Put down that axe and start cuddling it.
I need... Okay. Leave us back. Please don't start crying. Do you even know where you're going?
No.
Fuck. Oh, fuck. We're so fucked. Oh, shit! Fuck! Dude, where the fuck did he go? Oh my god, dude, the situation just went from bad to worse. Oh fuck, dude, what are we doing?
Let's go.
Where did the man-eater go?
I don't know, I heard him crying.
Uh-oh. Run, 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 bro! No!
What's going behind you? Was that the caterpillar?
Yeah, it was a fucking, Fuck off!
Get back, you fucking ape.
Fuck off! I will kill you. There, now they back up. Huh, they seem to be more afraid when we're in numbers. Fuck off! Fuck off!
Oh, you motherfucker! He just robbed us.
Did our ship just get second-degree burglarized?
Yeah.
That's fucking funny. Alright, I think I am done though because I gotta shower and get ready for bed because I
Yeah.
work tomorrow.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, have a good one, man.
Alright, see you, bro.